How to increase your score in the express entry system. In order to rank immigration candidates, the Canadian government developed a merit-based point system that assigns a score to each candidate in the express entry pool. This point system is called the Comprehensive Ranking System, CRS, and the score assigned to each candidate is called the CRS score. The CRS is a points-based system that is used to assess and score your profile and rank it in the express entry pool. The factors to improve your CRS score are: age factors, language test results, education, master degree points up to 40 scores. If possible, you can increase points by sending a degree for ECA. Getting a job offer from a Canadian employer. Studying in Canada is worth a good shot for a CRS score. Siblings in Canada also increase CRS scores. Work experience. More work experience you have, it's a great way to increase your CRS score, and if you have work experience during your studies, it'll also be counted. Provincial nominations give you 600 points. Gunness and Associates has helped thousands of people successfully immigrate to Canada with their families. Our skilled and experienced immigration experts have the expertise to accurately examine your case and advise you on the best method of proceeding to best serve your needs. Call us at 416-604-2669. Email info@immigrationmatters.info.